What is degree and types of degree? Degree. The degree of vertex I is the number of edges incident on vertex I. Is nothing but number of edges connected to the node. Then how to calculate degree of 1 means number of edges connected to the node. If we take node number 1 as 1 mean degree of 1 equals to 2. How means 1 to 2, then 1 to 4. There are 2 edges. So degree of 1 equals to 2. Likewise, we calculating remaining nodes of value of the degree. Degree of 2 equals to 2. Then degree of 3 representing 1, 4 representing 2, 5 representing 3, 5 representing 3 because here 3 edges. 1, 2, 3. So degree of 5 equals to 3. Then degree of 6 equal to 2. Then degree of 7 indicating 2. Degree of 8 indicating 2. Next one is types of degree. There are 2 types of degree. One is in degree, another one is out degree. Node representing circle form, edges representing link form, that is line form. In degree means particular node considering the edges from incoming, that is incoming edges. Okay. Out degree means in from the node to out of the path, that is outgoing edges. Total number of incoming edges calculated by in degree. Total number of outgoing edges calculated by out degree. In this example, in degree of vertex I is the number of edges incident to I, that is number of incoming edges. For this example, in degree of 2, value is 1 because here only one incoming edges. Only one incoming edges. If degree of 5 means 1. 5 also containing only one incoming edges. If we take 8 means degree of 8 equal to 0 because here no incoming edges. Same as if we considering node 1 means also 0 because no incoming edges for the node 1. Likewise, we calculating the in degree of other remaining nodes. Okay, that is degree of 7 2, then degree of 9 0. Next one is out degree. Out degree specifies number of outgoing edges. In this example, out degree of 2 value is 1 because only one outcoming edges. If degree of out degree of 8 indicating 2, that is 9 and another one is 11. So out degree of 8 equals to 2. Then out degree of 5 1 because only one outgoing edges. Out degree of 6 also 1. Then out degree of 11 indicating 1. Out degree of 7 0 because here no outgoing edges. So out degree of 7 equals to 0. Thank you.